Hello, my dear little ones. How are you? Fine. Good. Do you remember our Savitri Kuti? Yes, she is sad. What happened to her? Do you know? Take a look.
Hey Savitri Kutti, come, let's play.
No, I don't want to come.
What happened to you? Why are you sad?
Last night I had a dream. It made me very sad.
What dream?
A beautiful house. I want a playhouse like that. I asked Velchetan for help, but 2 days passed. He didn't come.
Oh, I will try to help you.
How?
I have an idea. Come with me.
Hey dear, what is Aisha's idea? Any guess? How did she help her? She shows something to Savitri Kuti. Take a look. What's that? Yes, some shapes. Do you know that shapes? This one. What is this shape? Have you seen things in this shape? Have you seen? Yes. What's this shape? Yes, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Can you draw a rectangle in your notebook? Or then draw. How many sides are there? Shall we count? Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, rectangle has how many sides? 4 sides. Look around. Do you see anything in this shape? Can you find anything in this shape, 4-side shape, rectangle shape? Yes, good. What's the shape of your notebook? Yes, your pencil box, mobile. Yes, you should find many more things in this shape. Okay. Now, I'm sure that you got the idea about this shape. Let's see another shape. Do you know the name of this shape? Yes, this shape is called triangle. How many sides it has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? Yes, triangle has 3 sides. Can you draw this shape in your notebook? Can you? Then draw. Have you seen anything in this shape? Do you know any food items in this shape? Yes. What's that? Samosa. A piece of cake. Yes. Let's see another one. What's this shape? This round shape. What's it called? Yes, this round shape is known as circle. This round shape is known as circle. How many sides are there? Yes, circle has only one side. Do you know anything in this shape? in round shape? Any round shaped object? Yes, good. What's the shape of full moon? Yes, wheels of a cycle. Your bangle. Yes, so many things are in round shape. Here we saw three shapes, isn't it? In this shape, you can see many things around you. You should find out more things in this shape and complete this table. Okay. Okay, dear. Yes. In first column, you write objects in circle shape, in round shape. In next column, things in this shape, rectangle shape. And on another column, you write triangle shape, three sides object. Okay. Look dear, Aisha and Savitri Kuti made a playhouse using this shape. Look at the picture of their playhouse. Look. Do you find any shapes like this in your picture? Do you find any shape, four side shapes in this picture? Shall we count? Where is this shape, four side shapes you see? Yes, okay. Then shall we count? Yes, take a look at this figure. Is this a four-sided shape? No. Is this a four-sided shape? Yes. Is this a four-sided shape? Yes. Then what's the next? Is this? Yes. This one? Yes. This one? Yes. This one? Then where? Yes, this. Then this. How many sides are there? Four sides. Shall we count how many four-sided shapes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one 8. Shall we write there? 8. Then is there any triangle, three-sided shape in this picture? Look. Yes, this one. Is there any other three-sided shape? No. Okay. So, we can write 1 here. Is there any round shapes in this picture? Yes. Then where? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and this one 11. Shall we write here? Okay. Do you like to draw pictures? Can you draw a house? Then draw a house here. Don't forget to color it. Okay? Color it neatly. Okay? Good. Hey dear, after 3 days, Veluchetan came at Savitri Kutti's house. He has a toy cart with him. Do you want to see that toy cart? Yes, look here. It is in your textbook. Look. Yes, but one problem. It is not colorful. Savitri Kutti need your help. to make her cart colorful. But one thing, she wishes to give some special color to each shapes. She wants these colors in those shapes. Look. Okay, can you help her? You should find these shapes and help Savitri Kutti to make it colorful. Don't you help her? Yes, good. Veluchetan presents her some more things. Do you want to see that? Yes, some shapes. Look, Savitri Kutti arranged date shapes in a certain way. Look, she arranges that shape in this way. She wants a help to complete this. Look, what will be the next one? Yes, first one is triangle. Then next one is four-sided shape. Then next three-sided shape. Then four-sided shape. Then what will be the next one? Three-sided triangle or four-sided rectangle. What will be the next? Yes, triangle. Then what comes next? Yes, rectangle. Very good. She is now happy. She arranges these shapes with your help. For helping her to arrange these shapes, she wants to give you a surprise. What's that surprise? Do you want to see? Look. What's this? Some dots and numbers. What's this? Look, there is a number for each dot. She says something is hiding here. Do you find anything? Oh, I forgot. She gives a clue. She says, first you complete these numbers, these number patterns. Then join the dots which have these numbers. Then it is easy for you to find out what is hiding. എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് ഈ നമ്പർ പാറ്റേൺ, ഇതൊരു പാറ്റേണിൽ പോവുകയാണ്. ഈ നമ്പർ പാറ്റേൺ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. എന്നിട്ടോ ദെൻ ഈ നമ്പേഴ്സ് വരുന്ന ഡോട്ട്സ് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ ഹൈഡ് ചെയ്ത ആളെ കണ്ടെത്താം. Shall we find out what is hiding here? Yes, look, 12, 14, 16, 18. Look these numbers. Are there any pattern here? Yes, the numbers are going by adding. Yes, going by adding 2. Look, 12 plus 2 equal 14. 14 plus 2 equal 16. Then what will be the next? Yes, 16 plus 2 equal 18. Then what is? What's the next? 18 plus 2 equal? Yes, 20. Shall we complete? What's the next number? 20 plus? Yes, 20 plus 2 equal 22. Then 22 plus 2 equal 24. 24 plus 2 equal 26. Then can you complete this? Yes, then complete. 26 plus 2. Yes. What's the next? Yes. 28 plus 2 equal 30. Next 32. Then last we get 34. Yes, we complete the number pattern. What's our next step? Yes, to find that hiding thing. Before that, shall we complete here? Yes. Can you help me? 12, 14, 16, 18, then yes, 20. What's next? 22, 24, 26, then yes, 28, 30. Say aloud. What's that? What's the next? Yes, 32. Then the last number is 34. Yes, we have completed the pattern. നമ്മൾ പാറ്റേൺ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? ഇനി എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ഈ നമ്പർ കണ്ടെത്തി ഈ ഡോട്ട്സ് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് പോണം. ചെയ്യാമോ? Okay, then say what's the first number in the pattern? Look, what's the first number? Yes, 12. Where is 12? Look, where is 12? Where? Yes, here. What's the next number? Yes, 14. Where is 14? To find 14. Shall we join the dots? Come. 12 and 14. Oh. Then what's the next? 16. Where is 16? Where is 16? Yes, here. Shall we join? Oh dear, my lines are not straight. Savitri Kutti told me to join straight lines. What to do? To draw a straight line, what can we do? What? Yes, scale. Good idea. We can use a scale. Okay. What's the next number? 18. What's the next number? After 18? 20. Where is 20? Here. The next number? It's 22. Where is 22? Do you find? Yes, here. Shall we draw? Then what's the next number? 24. Look dear, now I can draw straight lines. Here, look, ഇത് വളഞ്ഞു പോയല്ലേ? But ഇവിടെയോ സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടി. കണ്ടില്ലേ? സ്കെയിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. Okay, after 24, which is the next number? 26. Yes. Next one, 28. രണ്ട് കുത്തുകളിലേക്കും സ്കെയിൽ വച്ച ശേഷം വരച്ചാൽ നല്ല സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടും കേട്ടോ. Then next one, 30. Next number, 32. ഡോട്ട്സിൽ ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത് നിൽക്കണം കേട്ടോ സ്കെയില്. Then 34. What's hiding here? Yes, a house. A beautiful house, isn't it? There is one more house in your textbook, but some problems are there. Can you guess what's the problem? Yes, the house is not complete. It is an incomplete picture. Can you make this picture complete? Okay, good. But one thing, use a scale to draw straight lines. Okay? Okay, dear. Then we can meet on a next class. Okay? Bye.